Hi, Kelly Motherwell here from Motherwell Products. Today I'm going to show you how to install our solo luggage rack for the touring models like the Street Glides, your Road Kings, and if you so want the Ultras if you strip them down. These units, they're made in the US. They're powder coated and chromed in the US, and the way they mount, it's really super simple. With these units, they come with the mounting instructions, a foam tab that mounts on the rack, and a Phillips panhead screw that screws in. Anyways, continuing on, this unit basically you'll just come in and on your seat knobs that come with the bike, and if they don't come with your bike, if they're hidden, if you buy a 2-up seat, you'll have to put these units on, and we do sell them. And just slide it in and go down. That's simple. Get yourself a thumb screw, a matching thumb screw, and just screw it on. Lock it down. It's good and solid. And you're ready to ride. It's got that sporty look on it, and it'll really dress up your bike. And if you're so inclined, and you'd like to really dress it up, get yourself a matching thumb screw. These units come in chrome, gloss black, and matte. You remove it. Remove the thumb screw. Peel it off.
1, 2, 3, 4.